Okay, so we have a road has a tight turn, the radius of 40 meters, there's our R. Bank is 32 degrees, there's our angle. The road is snowpacked. Snowpacked means 0.3, so mu is going to equal 0.3. First thing we want to do is what's the maximum velocity in miles per hour you can drive and stay on the road. So we're going to use this max equation here. Square root of 9.81 times 40 times the square root of tangent of 32 plus 0.3 over 1 minus 0.3 times the tangent of 32. And these are kind of tricky to put in your calculator. You have to make sure you're using parentheses correctly or doing parts of it and writing it down or something. So if you do that, you should get 21.2 meters per second. It says it wants it in miles per hour, so you can use the conversion factor up here. Divide by 0.447 meters per second, and we're going to get 47.4 miles per hour. That's the maximum velocity you can go. If you go over that, if you go 50 miles per hour, you're going to fly off this exit ramp. Okay. In fact, we don't want to go 47.4 because that would also be dangerous because that's the maximum. So there's a safety factor put on here of 1.6. So that tells us how we can calculate what the actual speed limit is. We don't want to have a speed limit posted at 47.4. We want something less. So if the safety factor is 1.6, you can just take 47.4 divided by 1.6, and you can see that the posted speed limit should be like 30 miles per hour. So as long as you're 30 miles per hour or less, you're going to be fine going around this turn. Okay, safety factor is 1.6. Okay, the next thing is what is the lowest velocity in miles per hour that you can exit without sliding down? So what that means, the way that changes the equation, if you derived it out yourself, is that the signs are going to change. So up here, you'd have this would be a minus sign on the top, and down here it'd be a plus sign. Okay, so your velocity is going to equal the square root of 9.81 times 40, square root of tangent 32 minus 0.3 all over 1 plus 0.3 times the tangent of 32. So if you did that, you're going to get like, you can check your math, 10.3 meters per second divided by 0.447 meters per second, and you're going to get 23.2 miles per hour should be the answer for that one.